Thalassery recipe. It is very delicious recipe, famous recipe it is. It is very tasty. I love it, guys. This recipe needs mutton curry too. So I'll give you the recipe in the description below. Let's start. Please don't skip this video. Pour 4 glass water and boil it. Put 1 glass boiled rice. Keep it rest for 4 hours. Wash the rice in a bowl. Add 1 chopped onion. Add 1 teaspoon soap. Add 1 cup grated coconut. Salt as required. Then mix it well. Grind the rice mix, not smooth paste. Pour 1 cup water. Pour the rice batter into another bowl. Salt as required. Add the rice powder into the rice batter. Make a dough. The rice dough is ready. Spread some oil into the plate. Put the leaf and then spread the oil. Spread the oil to your hand and then take the dough and roll it into small bowls. Press the bowl with our finger as shown. Place a steamer with water and boil it. Put the rice bowl carefully into the steamer. Then 15 minutes steam it. Close the lid tightly. When it is steaming, let's do it. Repeat the rice dough. Open the lid and check if it is cooked. It should be non-sticky. Off the flame and take it carefully. Cook the rest of the balls. Take 1 cup grated coconut, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon somb. Grind it not fine paste. Half cup water. Grinded coconut is ready. Heat a big vessel. Add 1 tablespoon ghee. Add some chopped onions and curry leaves. Just fry it 2 minutes. The smell is so amazing. Add coconut mix into it. Add some salt. Pour the mutton gravy into it. Add the cooked rice balls into it. Mix it very well so it spreads everywhere and becomes more tastier. Add half teaspoon garam masala. Close the lid 5 or 8 minutes in low flame. Flame and mix it well. Our delicious dish is ready. Please try this at your home and comment it below how was it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching our videos and like, share and subscribe. Bye.
eyes, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.